Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what ancient Irish sounded like. Old Irish, also known as gaelic, was the language spoken in Ireland and parts of Scotland during the early medieval period, roughly from 600 to 900 CE. It possessed a particularly intricate sound system, characterized by a complex interplay of consonant mutations. Understanding its pronunciation requires careful linguistic reconstruction, drawing on historical evidence, and the evolution of related languages. A key feature of Old Irish phonology was the distinction between broad and slender consonants. Broad consonants were velarized, while slender ones were palatalized, creating a four-way distinction for many sounds. The language also had a rich vowel system, comprising 5 short and 5 long vowels, generally pronounced with values akin to those in Latin. Furthermore, word stress was typically fixed on the first syllable of nouns, adjectives, and absolute verb forms. Old Irish differed significantly from modern Irish in its pronunciation and grammatical structure. For instance, its verb system was considerably more complex. A notable distinction was how consonant sounds varied depending on their placement within a word, such as at the beginning, middle, or end. Modern Irish, in contrast, developed a more consistent orthography that explicitly indicates these sound changes, making its pronunciation rules more transparent to learners today. The reconstruction of Old Irish sounds is a meticulous process, primarily relying on the principles of historical linguistics. Researchers carefully analyze surviving manuscripts and compare Old Irish with its linguistic descendants, such as modern Irish and Scottish Gaelic. This work helps us understand how sounds evolved over centuries. Ongoing projects utilize advanced vocal processing and electronic music technology to bring these ancient voices to life, allowing us to experience the performative power of this fascinating historical language.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.